guys, it's me, Fatagains here. I'm the little one. And today we're going to be opening up this. It's a thing you can use it for, like, in your videos. So we're going to be using this in our videos a lot. So here it is. We're going to be using them in our videos. So we're going to be using them in our videos. So, yeah, let's open it. Let's press the buttons. Let's press this one. Does it work on camera? Press it. This one, the cowboy hat. What does that do? Oh, let's see about this one. Okay, so let's press some more buttons. What does it do? What? How about this one? What does this one do? That's crazy. Try the next button. I already clicked that one. Did I click that one? Oh, thumbs down. But put thumbs up on this video. Let's see if they have a thumbs up. Nope. Oh, a fart. Click it. Click it. Not working. Oh, clapping. Next one. Let's cry. Okay, let's get opening. Open some. Do we need scissors? It's a little opening. And then we can set it free. Yep. This will be free and okay, let me see if I can get it. Let's open it. There is, okay, here's some instructions, but I think we know how to do everything. Yeah. I think we know how to do it. But you guys can read it. Go ahead and read. Read, this is good. Want it a bit closer? No. Isn't that cool? No. Got it. Alright, let's get opening. Yeah! Alright. Wow! It's like so. Wow. Okay. Super cool. So yeah, we'll be using these in our videos. Super cool. I suggest for you guys to buy this. But it's actually really loud, so it can show in our, you can hear it in our videos. Hopefully, when we watch this video, you guys can hear. Hopefully, you guys can. Okay, hopefully you guys can hear it in this video. So, and I'm sorry if you can't, so we won't be using it for a video if you guys can't. But let's try. Super loud. watch all of them. So I hope you guys like this video, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys back with should we say wait. And we'll see you guys back with another video, or maybe a different video on this channel with not us, maybe Abdullah.
Yeah, maybe Abdullah. I think he's gonna make a video because he hasn't made a video on this channel for a long time.
Oh yeah, and subscribe to our other channel called Penguins and Toys. So that channel, we're actually turning that channel into a gaming channel. So if you're not into like these videos, you can watch our other channel, which is gaming videos.
Yep. And guys, if you notice by the sneakers, these sneakers are not new. Because I was like, they might notice that when we sneakers.
Yeah, look at one. I just want to show you guys these sneakers. I know they're boys' sneakers, but they actually look fine. And this one's is not new. And guys, if you were wondering, like, what is on Fatagains' arm? I broke my arm. Like, I literally broke my arm. When I broke my arm, I was like crying. Like,
so I hope you guys like this video.
Did you just fart?
No.
Okay guys, so I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys with another video.
So until then, bye guys.